What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to simplify square root expressions or radical expressions and adding and subtracting square roots. First example I have here is 3 root 11 plus 2 root 11 minus 11 root 11. Actually 8 root 11. So the answer will be, there are like terms, so we have 3 plus 2 minus 8 root 11. So 3 plus 2, 5 minus 8 is negative 3. So it's going to be negative 3 root 11. Next example, it's going to be 2 root 15 plus 5 root 15 minus 9 root 15. Answer is 2 plus 5 minus 9 root 15, which is going to be 2 plus 5, 7, minus 9, negative 2 root 15 is the answer. Next example, 3 root 3 minus 8 root 3 plus 7 root 5. The answer is 3 root 3 minus 8 root 3 will be 3 minus 8 root 3. We cannot combine it with this one because that's root 5. So 3 minus 8 is negative 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5. Next example, 5 root 7 minus 8 root 7 plus 6 root 3. So these two are like terms, this one's not, so we can combine these two. It's going to be 5 minus 8 root 7 plus 6 root 3. 5 minus 8 is going to be negative 3 root 7 plus 6 root 3. Next example, we have 6 root 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 root 5. The answer, these two are like terms, so we can combine these two. This one is not, so we can say 6 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 root 5. 6 plus 2 is going to be 8 root 2 minus 3 root 5. And then next example, seven root 5 plus root 5 minus 8 root 10. Answer is, these two are like terms. 7 plus 1 root 5 minus 8 root 10. It's going to be 8 root 5 minus 8 root 10. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.